Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Audi A6. Stock number is 18M134A. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. Those keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. Alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls, as well as a heated steering wheel. You have dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Audi on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.